Linking your bank account to Square is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Square account. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is typically found in the Menu or Profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Account Settings, look for the option to link or manage your bank account. Click on this option to proceed with the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This usually includes your account number, routing number, and possibly other identifying details. Make sure to enter this information accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or a notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Square, allowing for seamless transaction management.